My name is Debbie. I'm from Anaheim Hills. I am 63 years old, and I had surgery on January 15th of this year. This is my second knee replacement with Dr. Nien. My first one was with a different doctor who was very nice, but did it a different way that he had been doing it for 20 years. And the recovery was a full year. The first month, I didn't even want to go out of the house. I think it was about 9 months before I could walk 2 miles, which is something I like to do. And so I decided I wasn't going to have another knee replacement, whether I needed it or not, or whether I have amputation. It was just too much out of my life. And then my friend came to Dr. Nien. She had hers done. I was shocked because she had had her first one done when I had my first one done. And her recovery was difficult also because we had the same procedure. Dr. Nien was her doctor and with the second knee, and he was fabulous, great. She said, I can't believe it. My insurance changed. I had to go to a different doctor, and look what I got. It was great. The recovery was so much quicker with her. I thought, maybe I can do this. And it was about 3 months after her surgery that I made the decision to go ahead and have, actually it was a little bit longer than that, and have Dr. Nien look at my knee. And he said, sure, do a knee replacement. Let's get that on the books. And he didn't make me wait. In the meantime, he gave me a fabulous cortisone injection, which didn't hurt. And so I was kind of impressed by that. And I had that surgery in January. Within 2.5 weeks, I was walking Fashion Island. And I went home from the hospital after 2 nights. I did not really need to use a walker. I was using a cane after about 2 days. My physical therapist was shocked at how flexible the striker knee had gotten, and my range of motion by the time I got to the other physical therapist 2 weeks later was better than they'd ever seen. It was something like 120, and they'd never seen that so quickly after a knee surgery. I did about 2 months of physical therapy, started walking 2 miles a day immediately after that. My husband and I like to travel. Up until that point, it was a nightmare because my knees would just swell, and I would get up to walk around the airplane, and it would be so uncomfortable and so painful. After this surgery, it was a dream to get on an airplane. And I went to Maui this summer, and I walked the beach every single day of the week, 5 days a week. It was 4 miles. I do the elliptical at home. I walk 4 miles in the morning with my friends. It's awesome. I'm so happy. I'm just shocked that I could bounce back. I feel like I did 10 years ago. Dr. Nien and his staff, they're just great. They're so friendly, and he was very confident from the very beginning, which gave me confidence. And if I had any problems, Jennifer and the receptionist was right there. I can't remember her name, but they were great. They were awesome. And when it came time to set up my surgery, set up everything, and the physical therapy, they had it all down. I didn't have to do a thing. So I really appreciated that. Because of my surgery with Dr. Nien, I am able to walk 4 miles a day and do exercise. My cholesterol's gone down after 5 years of no exercise, so I'm thrilled.